This Earth Day, we are showcasing a Western New York woman who is challenging herself to build one of the first carbon-neutral commercial buildings in the region. Elyse Smith introduces us to the architect who spent years building sustainable homes for others and who is now creating her own workspace.
Hopefully what this building does is start to set the bar for future development on this part of the city, which we're very excited that it's to do that.
Architect Kelley Culp-Burton is leading the way in the sustainable infrastructure market in Western New York. She recently received a $300,000 grant from New York State, which will help her turn an eyesore at the end of Main Street in North Tonawanda from an old lumber mill into a beacon of clean and green energy and building practices.
We're going to have solar panels on this, which is the south side, but then the other side of the building we're having a green roof. What we want to do is take the rainwater, slow it down. We have the green roof, which will use the rainwater. It adds additional insulation, but then selecting the correct plants, they absorb the carbon. So it has multiple purposes.
This holistic, multi-purpose approach has been put into every facet of the building and will maximize the building's carbon offset. It's estimated that this building will have a net carbon savings of 22 metric tons a year, the same amount emitted by 2 homes a year, or the equivalent caused by 144 acres of deforestation.
Well, I think it starts with a personal commitment. And a personal commitment to the environment, and then as an architect, that we, through our business, are able to influence and help direct, these sustainable and healthy practices that will benefit everybody.
Is there a need and a want for more carbon neutral, sustainable, eco-friendly projects like this in Buffalo?
I think so. With the public awareness increasing on the building, people like to know that they're in a place that is friendly to the environment. But in addition to that, the spaces are actually much more comfortable to be in from an environmental standpoint of heating and cooling. It's just something that we really believe in and know that, especially as design professionals, we're the ones that can influence the built environment change.
So you will soon be able to see this green building, both literally and figuratively, begin to take shape this summer when construction begins. And Kelley hopes that the building will be finished and open by March of 2023. Reporting in North Tonawanda, meteorologist Elyse Smith, Channel 2 News.